Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video, I'm going to be showing you the Echo Dot 3rd generation. This particular one is the charcoal color, but of course it comes in white as well. I do have the 2nd generation already, so stay tuned for that full video of the differences from 2nd generation to 3rd generation. I will have this, of course, listed in the description box below, so look for those links. So this just came in the mail, so let's go ahead and open it on up and take it for a test run. Alrighty, let's go ahead and slice her on open and see what we have in the box here. Right on the top, nice little 3rd gen right here. And what they did actually is they did a very nice remodel compared to the 2nd generation. Again, I will have the full differences between the two up on my channel, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you're going to be aware for when I put that video out. Let's go ahead and get off this cover here. So the 3rd gen right off the bat is a lot nicer. They give you this really nice kind of a cloth material. They kind of copied the Google Home Mini with that. You were able to purchase these for your 2nd gen, but it's nice that this already comes with it. In the back here, we have our charging cable port here and our AUX line in here for attaching it to a external speaker if you want to do that. The bottom here is a nice pad, very soft for whatever on top of your desk or whatever you like there. And then again on the top, very simple matte black for this color. Again, very soft. You have your volume down, volume up. You have what looks to be a mute button, and then probably, obviously, your power button here. We look like we have 4 microphone inserts here, and then of course our light up LED ring, just like the 2nd gen around the edge there. We'll go ahead and put that down for just a split sec. Let's go ahead and see what else we have in the box. Things to try: Echo Dot, just kind of warranty information, getting to know your Dot, plugging it in, download the Alexa app, connect to a speaker. I won't go into all that, but kind of gives you basic instructions there. In the bottom of the box, we have ourselves a nice little power adapter here. This one is a nice big fat square, 15 watt. With our cable plug here. Let me get you a guesstimation of the length of that just in case you're curious. And I'm gonna go with a guesstimation of tip to tip, meaning from here to the end of this, around 6 feet in length, if you're curious about that one. Of course, Amazon brands all their products with their logo. A lot of plastic on this to keep it nice. There we go, right there, looking great. Overall, fantastic. Let's go ahead and plug it on in, set it up, and if I have any issues setting this one up, I will let you know. Then we'll take it for a test run, show you a couple cool features. All right, I've just actually removed my 2nd gen from the area here, so I'm actually curious to see what transpires and if I have to go on the Amazon Alexa app, which I probably have to because it is a new device. I have to reconnect it to my internet. Very nice. The camera's kind of hard to pick that up, but that LED ring is gorgeous looking right there on the edge. Again, really nice for cord management. We're coming all the way over down below. Alexa.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and if I come across any issues with connecting, I will let you know. If this is your first Echo Dot or Amazon device, then you will have to download the Alexa app from the Google Play Store or iTunes Store. Alrighty, in the Amazon Alexa app, really simple to set up, and I didn't even have to input my Wi-Fi password because the phone that I'm connected to on the app is actually connected to my home internet already. All you have to do in the top left portion of the menu, hit add a device, and it'll walk you through all the steps. Very simple. Took me about 45 seconds. We're up and running. Let me go ahead and show you a few awesome things. I actually connected it to some Wi-Fi outlets that are Amazon compatible. So let me show you exactly how we do it. Alexa, turn on fireplace.
Okay.
Just like that. Alexa, turn on Christmas tree lights.
Okay.
Very nice. There is a little bit of a delay, just a few seconds, but as long as you're okay with that, they're only going to get quicker and quicker, almost seamlessly, but you can do all sorts of things. Alexa, turn on reading light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off reading light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off fireplace.
Okay.
You guys get the idea there. Very cool. Let's go ahead and see what we have here. Alexa, play Lauren Daigle on Amazon Music.
Shuffling songs by Lauren Daigle on Amazon Music.
Very nice. Of course, I can't play too much because of copyright. Alexa, volume 8. Very nice. All right, I used to have no issues at all, so let's go ahead and take it for a test run real quick. Alexa, turn on fireplace. Nice. Okay, very, very cool. Alexa, turn off fireplace. Very nice. I'm about 20 feet away or so. Absolutely no issues with it. Let's go ahead and take the speakers for a test run here. Okay, that's this speaker here. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Take it away, Jimmy.
What is your laundry's favorite TV show? Socks in the City.
There's just a little bit more crispness to this one. Alexa, pause. Obviously, it's not going to compare to like a regular Echo or whatnot because you still have a smaller compacted speaker, but I do notice the difference in the improvements for sure. Alrighty guys, we have both the 2nd gen and the 3rd gen set up and actually connected. I have that full video up on the channel already. If not, that's going to be the next video. Well guys, thank you so much for watching the video about the Echo Dot 3rd gen, what you get in the product packaging, and taking it for some test runs.
This device received an important update and will restart. It'll be ready again shortly.
Hey, right there live with you. It's giving me an update. Very nice. So guys, smash that thumbs up button if it helped you make an informed decision on purchasing the 3rd gen or staying put with your 2nd gen. We're going through the update. We'll be back up rolling in just a little bit. Overall, very impressed with it. Looks great. And again, look for those links in the description box below. I'll see you guys on the next review. My name's Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye.
Thank you.